A very good morning to all my dear students. Dear students, today we will see the exercise related to present tense. And here in the present tense, we have the questions. Change the following into interrogative sentences. I have taught you present tense before. That is why I have put an exercise for you and you have to do it. Now this is the solution for the exercise. First question is, Ram rides a bus. So before changing into interrogative, we need to memorize that to what tense does this sentence belong. So Ram rides a bus. So this is a simple present tense. And in simple present tense, we know that we use do or does to make interrogative. So here the subject is third person singular number, which is Ram. So with Ram, we need to use does. Therefore, the answer will be, does Ram ride a bus? Okay. Now, the second question. She is living in Noida. So this is present continuous tense. And in present continuous tense, what we do to make interrogative? Simply, we use the helping verb before the subject to make it interrogative. Here it will become, is she living in Noida? Right? So now question number 3. The beggar has crossed the road. Let us examine the tenses. So it is of present perfect tense. In present perfect tense, what we do? Let us see. Again we will do the helping verb before the subject. Here the helping verb is has. So has will be used before the subject, the beggar. And we'll then write the next part of the sentence. The answer will be, has the beggar crossed the road? Right? Next question number 4. You do not know how to swim. So this is again the negative of simple present tense. Do not, does not are the negatives of the simple present tense. So in order to change into interrogative, simply we will put do before the subject, you. The answer will be, do you know how to swim? Okay. So now question number 5. They are not trying to reach the destination. So this is present continuous tense. And in continuous tense, just now I have told you that helping verbs are used before the subject. Here the subject is they and the helping verb is are. So therefore the answer will become, are they trying to reach the destination? Okay. So next number question is 6. You have been reading a book for 2 hours. So this is present perfect and continuous tense. Right? Because it is has been, have been plus V1 plus ing. And this way it is present perfect continuous tense. So in order to change into negative or interrogative, for interrogatives we generally use the helping verb before the main subject. So here it is, have you been reading a book for 2 hours? You is the subject, therefore have has been used before it. Have you been reading a book for 2 hours? Right? Now next question number 7. We have passed the test. So this is again present perfect tense. And now you must have memorized that what we do to change into interrogative. Simply we take the helping verb before the subject. Here the subject is we and the helping verb is have. So it will become, have we passed the test? Okay. Now question number 8, which is the last question of this worksheet. They want to go to market. So this is again simple present. Here the subject is they. So with they we use do. So we will write do before the subject. It will become, do they want to go to market? So in this way we have completed the whole worksheet related to present tense. In the next video I will give you some other worksheets. Thank you.